As the fire manifests itself inside the cave, the vision becomes brighter and more vivid. Flames can emanate from burning logs in the fireplace or emerge from the small hole in the wall. Fire can consume piles of firewood, creating a sparkling spectacle of flames and sparks. The fire is warm orange and red in color and emits heat that fills the cave and gives it a feeling of warmth and comfort. The sound of the fire can be heard burning and sparkling, adding to the deep and relaxing atmosphere inside the cave. As for the rain, falling rain inside the cave can create a magical and peaceful effect. The sound of raindrops can be heard falling on the surrounding rock surfaces and soil. This can add a sense of comfort and calm to the place. Personally, the combination of a warm fire and falling rain inside a cave can create an enchanting and romantic scene. Fire can reflect light onto raindrops, creating a beautiful shimmering shine in the air. All of these elements combine to create a comfortable and relaxing experience inside the cave.